How many things do you have to do today or this week or this month because you're a new agent? You're newer in the business, maybe you're just licensed, maybe you're a few months in, maybe you're even a year in, and you're thinking, I need a logo, I need a name, I need a unique selling proposition, I need a website, I need lead providers. And you're looking at all these different things that you need, and you're trying to set them all up. And what ends up happening is you spend all of your time on all of the wrong things at the beginning. What I mean by that is none of those things are actually wrong for a business. You should have those, right? All of the big brands have them. They've got logos and catchphrases and all of the things necessary. But as a new agent, what you need to do is you need to fill the pipeline. You need to get enough prospects, enough of your sphere of influence, your friends, your family, your past coworkers that know about what you do to refer you. And then that way you've got that pipeline filled up. So you could start getting people in escrow, start producing that revenue that every business needs, including yours, so that way you don't fail out after 6 months or 9 months or a year. Remember, the failure rate is over 80% in real estate, and there's a reason why. And it's because a lot of people put the wrong things first. If you take the time to hit the gas pedal and gain that traction right out of the gate, then you will find the time to do the other things. Or maybe you'll have enough money to leverage and actually hire the right people to do those things for you. But even if you're going to do them yourself, get that pipeline full, and then after you've got that pipeline full because you're working 3, 4, 5, 6 hours a day prospecting to fill that pipeline, a month, 2 months in, you'll have enough business going that now you could take the time, take that hour time block a day or 2 or 3 hour time block per week and work on the business, work on your logo, work on your catchphrases, work on your advertisements, work on your social media, and start getting all of that together. But it's because you've already got a pipeline. Now, one of the things you may want to do is build up your social media presence or YouTube, but really stick to one area. So that way that is filling your pipeline, that is bringing in prospects. Other than that, everything else can wait. So depending on exactly how you're building your business, take that focus, work on those singular things like your social media or YouTube presence, or working your sphere, your friends, your family, your past coworkers, other people that you may know in your circles, and take that time and focus completely on that and put everything else aside until you really get the ball rolling.